everybody, it is Jake here, and today guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can make videos pop up on your screen. So yeah, this is what, if you guys don't understand what I mean, here's what I'm saying. So if you go click on this video, hey everybody, it is Jake here. If you skip all the way to the end here, it wouldn't show up. So yeah guys, now you know where to find the secret Shaggy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe and join my team, Team Extreme. As you can see guys, there is like videos popped up on the screen and my logo. If you guys want to subscribe to me, you just click on my logo, you go subscribe. So yeah. And guys, you're probably saying, Jake, how do you do this? Well, this is actually pretty simple. All you have to do is you have to first go to Safari. Okay? You're going to go to your channel. Okay? And you're going to go ahead and you're going to go to one of your videos. Okay? So I'm going to go to this video, for example. Let's say this video. Let's say, yeah, so as you can see guys, this is my video. As you can see, it's loading, so the internet's pretty bad. But all you're gonna have to do guys is you're gonna go, not click it, you're gonna go down below, and as you can see guys, there's gonna be a little button with a sparkle edit button. You're gonna click on this button and you're gonna go here. And then you're going to go to here, and then you're going to click end and screen animations. You're going to go to here, and it'll send you to here. Now, all you're going to want to do is you're going to go ahead and watch the video, and then you're going to go skip all the way to the end. That you're going to tap that YouTube button, and you're going to go, and it's going to just send you skip to the end. Like that, or maybe you just have to skip to the end, whatever. But then at the end of this little bit, like maybe a little bit there, you're going to go ahead and press add element. It's going to be next to the video. You're going to press add element, okay? And then it'll just say a list of these. So it'll say video playlist, or you can link a subscribe channel, or you can link another channel. But you cannot link on tablets. So yeah, but if you guys have like maybe a laptop or something, or a computer, you could probably link, like as you can see right here, it says link, but I can't do that. So maybe you have to enable something, but from my settings. But yeah, what you're going to do is you're going to go to you're gonna go link whatever you want. So I'm gonna go to like link the subscribe button. So I'm gonna press create, and then it'll show up your logo. Now you're gonna click and hold on your logo like this, and then it'll say little square. This is where you want to put your logo. So I'm gonna put my logo right above here. Then maybe a little like that. Yeah, perfect. And then once you're done adding elements, you're going to go here, and then you're going to click video or playlist, whatever you want. So I'm going to click video or playlist. You guys can copy me if you want. This is how normal YouTubers sometimes do it. So video or playlist. So you're going to either click this one or this one. I'm going to do this one, most recent upload. And then it's going to be, it might move the screen a little bit if you're on tablet, like I am. And if you're putting it where your logo is, it's not going to work. So all you have to do is just put it like right above here. And then you're going to go ahead and press add element. Going to go create video or playlist. But you cannot do this again because you already have that feature in the element. So all you have to do is just click this button, like the next button. And then you're going to press create element. And then you're going to go press this back here. and try to match where the video is. And then once you're done with this, all you have to do is just press save right here. And then when it says all changes have been saved, refresh the page. Okay, and then now what you're going to do is you're going to click on your logo and you're going to go back to YouTube, and your video will be there with the pictures on your screen. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please leave a like and subscribe and join my team, Team Extreme, by subscribing, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!